We'll guide you through how to change the alarm sound on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone. So being able to go and set alarms on an iPhone is really convenient because you pretty much always have your iPhone with you. So therefore you can always go and set alarms. But you may go and be sick of the same old alarm sound. Make sure it's full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this guide. What we need to do is we need to go and open the clock app. So you probably used this before. By default, it's just on your iPhone home screen. Go and open it up. At the bottom, of course, you then need to go and select alarms. So you can do this when creating a new alarm, but you can also go and change the sound of existing alarms as well. For example, if you always go and wake up at 9:26, let's say, we can tap on that there to get to the edit screen for it. Or alternatively, we can do it when creating a new alarm as well. So we'll do it for a new alarm just for this guide. So we'll go and press the plus in the top right. Then what you need to do is you can go and set the alarm, choose to repeat and set a label, but to go and change the sound, go and tap sound. And you can then scroll through here, and we're using the ringtones here, and you can scroll through them. Hear how they sound by tapping on them, and hope you go and like it. You can also go and use songs here as well if you want to. I haven't got any there. And then what you can do is once you've got it selected is press back. And you can then see it there. And what you can then do is go and press the tick, and that's it. That sound will then go and be used. You can edit it, as I said, by tapping them as well.